So what's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I want to present to you a free alternative to ChatGPT. I know we have already been using ChatGPT for quite a while now, and it has pretty much become the standard as AI chat interface, but there's another upcoming competitor in town right now, which is developed right away from China, and it comes with some amazing features. So let's check it out. So today let's discover DeepSeek, which is the ChatGPT main competitor. So DeepSeek, first and foremost, is an open source interface. It's an open source platform, which means it's totally free to use. There's no subscriptions and no paid platform, so you can definitely make use of it. And I want to tell you, really, DeepSeek has really been showing a lot of amazing, answers to all the questions I asked. It's pretty much on par with ChatGPT. And since it's free, it's quite amazing. So let's definitely check it out. So if you want to have access to DeepSeek, you can head straight away to chat.deepseek.com. You create your account, you sign up and all, and you have access to it. So the interface is quite similar to ChatGPT. You have a chatbot here, and you can ask all the questions you want to ask, and it responds in a similar fashion and quite fast as well. Straight away, you're going to see some options which are there. You have the option to add attachment of different files to DeepSeek so that they can interact with those files. You can add images, documents, even audio files, and even video files as well. You see here you have a max limit of 50 and 100 megabytes of limited size for each document or images you upload. You only have some two options here: deep think and search. Deep think and search. So basically, for the search option, it allows you to search the internet straight away in real time. And while for the deep think, as the name implies, it allows it to have a much more in-depth thought about whatever question it asks it. So let's go ahead and ask it a simple question: how are you better than ChatGPT? So we're going to go with it with the deep think options disabled first, and then we're going to enable it so that you kind of see the difference. So when we send this query, you're going to get a response. So as you can see, instantly it gives us an answer. Great question. While both of us aim to assist you effectively, here are a few ways I might stand out. Up-to-date knowledge. My training includes data up to July 2024, so I can provide more recent information compared to ChatGPT. Customization. I can adapt to your preferences needs more dynamically, offering tailored responses based on context. Speed and efficiency, and specialized features. So as you can see, it responds quite as fast as well, just like ChatGPT, and it has given you some of the features where it is different from ChatGPT. Now we're going to ask the same question, but this time with the deep think enabled, and you're going to kind of see the difference. So with the deep think enabled, you're going to go ahead and ask the exact same question, and it goes through something very interesting, actually. So you're going to see. So yeah, you see it's having this kind of thinking mode where it kind of thinks and it shows you its thought process. It's a little bit grayed out because this is not what you're supposed to be focused on. You're instead supposed to be focused on the results, but this is kind of its thought process that it kind of gives you. So okay, the user is asking again how I'm better than ChatGPT. They asked the same question before, so maybe they want a more detailed answer. So in the previous response, I listed this: I should maintain a friendly tone, and so on and so forth. So it just kind of gives you its thought process, how it came to that conclusion. And so it's kind of this whole idea of deep think. And so at the end, it comes out with the answer, which is white and not grayed out anymore. And so it gives you freshness of information, customizations for specific use cases, integrations with tools, adaptability, and so on and so forth. So you get it? That's how these different modes function. So you can go ahead. It has a memory as well. I'm not really sure about the limitations on those, but you can make use of it and ask as many questions as you want. Keep in mind that it's open source. You can always attach files as opposed to ChatGPT, where you had a limited amount of files you could attach on the free version. And so everything here is free and you can do as much work as you want. So let's pursue maybe this conversation, like how are you different in terms of training models. And so we're going to allow the deep think option still enabled. so that it gets it. So okay, the user is asking how I'm different in terms of training models compared to ChatGPT. Let me start by recalling the previous conversation. They asked earlier how I'm better, and so on and so forth. So at the end, you see, great question. While both ChatGPT and I are built on similar foundational architectures like GPT-4 or its successors, differences arise in how we are fine-tuned, updated, and deployed. So base model, and so on and so forth. So it just gives you this answer about how it's different. So as opposed to ChatGPT, with my experience from both, I'll really say that this one is more robotic, or not really say robotic, but more kind of formalized from DeepSeek as compared to ChatGPT, which tries to add some nuance and tries to add more of a human feeling to its answers. But this one, as you can see, it's more kind of robotic. It tries to give you the exact same answers without playing around with words or adding any human tones and all the rest. So that's it. So yeah, that's kind of my feel from it. But definitely this is an amazing tool. It's what comes the closest to ChatGPT. You should definitely check it out. Again, this is built in China and not the USA. So there's kind of a different mindset as to how and what this should do or how this should function. I really like them both and I really make use of them in different scenarios, but I definitely recommend you check this one out. It really gives you more detailed answers. So from the reviews I saw about DeepSeek, this was more oriented towards mathematical and technical coding questions. That's where it excels the most. But I find it very useful in all the cases. So definitely check it out and let me know what you think about it. The ChatGPT competitor, DeepSeek. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.